Hello, how you doing? Eric Moser here with the Vacation Clearinghouse and Exchange, and today I'm going to be going over some of the valuable inventory that we have in our hotels division. So, if you could just follow along, get signed in, get on the main landing page here. You'll see here that we have the total member savings of $65 million. Let's do this. Let's go up to hotels. If you can, click on hotels here. Let's see. Here we go. Now, there's a few things that I want you to notice once we get in here. Now, I do have some individual tiles down here. Y'all can put in requests of the ones for shortcuts you want up here on the front, and I can go ahead and try to provide them. But for the most part, if you just go right in here and you type in a city that you're looking at going to, let's say Las Vegas. Las Vegas has a lot of great inventory. And I always like to pick, a prime season, a week that, let's say July 4th weekend here. Boom. That's going to really uh, put a spotlight on the inventory because in the hospitality industry, it's all about availability. Well, typically, if you're a month out from a holiday, there is no more availability. Well, we don't have that problem here because we just have millions of properties looking to liquidate this inventory. So you can see here, let me show you some of the things that you want to look at. You can see here, we have 4 Points Sheraton. It's 54% off. It's $79 a night. Now you're saving $416. The average cost of this is $717 through Booking.com, Expedia, hotels, cheap tickets, get a room, Travelocity, Orbitz, and Hotwire. Now, I'm going to tell you something that you probably did not know. Expedia owns every one of these companies except for Priceline. So no wonder their prices aren't any different. They're all the same company. But you can see here, we're going to save you $416. You can actually click on the picture, take a look at the actual hotel or resort that you're going to be going to. You can come back out here and cancel out of that. You can go in here and you can look at map details. Now, this map detail is going to show you the actual map for this one location. What I like to do is we have a map view in the hotels that's going to show you everything. So it's going to put an overlay of all the hotels that we have in our find. It's going to show you their nightly price, and it's going to show you where they're at up and down the strip here. So this is great. Now, what I like to do is I back out of this map view, go back to list view here. Then you have all sorts of ways you can sort them. You can put in a specific hotel name that you like. You can actually put in a star rating. So let's say, hey, man, we don't want anything less than a 4 star. We're gonna do it big this weekend. So it's what it's gonna do right now is we have it to sort by biggest percent savings. So you can see all the wonderful locations: 5 star, 4 star locations, 147, $99 a night for the Renaissance. You're actually saving $261. $378. Now, from what I found from my experience, and I've double checked these across the board in every location, is Expedia isn't quite completely upfront on all of its pricing disclosure. So what we're comparing is what they're showing you right there on the main marketing page. Once you actually go in and start to book, there's all sorts of other costs that start to add up. And a lot of times, specifically on a deal that I did in Myrtle Beach, and I booked this deal through the Vacation Clearinghouse and Exchange, I saved $900. On the cost comparison savings here, it showed that I was going to save $50. And once I actually booked, and I went all the way to booking on Expedia, it was a $900 savings because they're not up front. The hospitality industry is notorious about baiting and switching. What you're going to see here is everything that's included in your cost. So let's go in here and let's hit the select room. What you're going to see when you go in here and select this room, there's going to be full disclosure on everything you see, which one of the reasons I hate the hospitality industry is because you never know what you're getting. It looks like a good deal, but then by the time you get to booking, it's doubled. Well, how did that happen? So let's go in here and hit select room. Let's allow that to load up here. I don't know what's taking so long. There you go. Select room, which I've already hit that one, so that's going to drop us down. All right, let's look at this one here just so we can get started. $339 in savings. You're going to see here's your Deluxe King. If you want to book it room only, pay at hotel room only, and they give you different options in here. But for specific reasons, let's just go in here and say book. Boom. This is everything. You're going to see your member savings, your resort fees, all your prices included. There is not going to be any additional cost. So it's not going to be one of these things when you get there, hey, you owe us another $300. That is not going to happen. It's full disclosure on your booking cost here. So that's just a quick summary on how this stuff works.